Kajing tap vote nakam taban jet di Nongkitkam Thymmai Kecilong Press Club kelalong mendak sengi thoding jong kesandri kunai tungar jar pusau bala Pynlong hak Snem trikam jong club kabadan halai shume kajing sedang men tap vote kedai nadu kepor sipo beje men step badan penkut hadu kepor sau beje janmet ya kan election men jet di Nongkitkam Thymmai jong Kecilong Press Club lapanyai tak DIPR kajing jet biang di Nongkitkam Thymmai jong Kecilong Press Club kedai Hadien khat sau Snem Kinong tap vote kilapoi hadu shispa driu pusau ngut kibadai kidikot jong press club kibaladep ban tap iko vote jong ki nakapta banjit yu president bat treasurer bat Thymmai jong Kecilong press club bat kejingnya wiki vote kalong mentak sengihi hakopor san beje janmet kinong yakun haknek election manjit Nongkitkam bat Thymmai ki kentup yu ba jio thank you nakashlem kabatasi tv uba Deimaya el siangshai uidito kakot kubor maupor baru ba Rafael Warjri nakaslam media plus kita kilangut kibadai kertong penekun nakam takam presiden joko klub hakabaya depat barkakam treasurer ki kertong noyakun ki ketup yauba Garshom hat nakaslam upet ngor baru ba Martin Nongklau Hadien balanyo wiko vote uba Demia el Siangshai nakaslam umaupor ulalong unong job kumu presiden Thymmai joko press club nakajingyo hadu kandai puwe vote katba uba jio thank you ulayo driu punyo vote baru ba Rafael Warjri ulayo tang driu vote nakakam treasurer pat unong job hakne kajing tha vote udai uba Garshom hat da shispa khat lai vote nakaslam upet ngor katba uba Martin Nongklau ulayo san pheu vote
The new president of the Shillong Press Club will receive the certificate from our director, sir.
Tur.
Confident on me to be your new president, and I hope with your cooperation, with your support, we will move ahead to make a press club a vibrant press club, not only in Shillong, not only in Meghalaya, but in the Northeast and in India as a whole. I would like to thank all the members for making the election a very smooth and success one. I also would like to thank the commissioner, the director, and all the officers of the DIPR who has conducted a smooth and transparency and a democratic way of conduct an election today. And we hope from today onward we will move ahead so that all the pending programs will be implemented from now onwards. And I also request each and every member to that from now on we will work together as a team to make the club a more functional and a more active club in the state. Thank you so much.
Thank the Directorate of Commission of Public Relations for conducting this election in a very smooth and successful manner. And of course, my press colleague have put their confidence in me in choosing me as the General Secretary. And yes, of course, I won without any opposition, but still then I would like to thank each and everyone who have decided to contest and then later on decided not to contest to give me the chance to be the secretary, general secretary of this press club. I hope together we can work and we can sit and form a new EC that can function, that can be function in such a way to move this entire press club and the colleagues of the press in a way that is up to this date with the technology and the facilities that's available to us. We can surely move ahead and prove that this press club will be one of the best in the Northeast. Thank you.
Took this election for 14 years. So when I thank all the colleagues from Pynlong and media that they have supported me as a treasurer club, and I hope everyone from now onward we will work together as a club so that we can do all the pending issues that we have been in trouble in these 3 years. So with this few words, I thank all everyone, and especially the director of the area. Thank you. God bless you.